What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you really quick how to make the replica TE37. So pretty much first you're gonna get a wheel design that it looks like it. This one's the Avid 06. Roda makes them. I'm pretty sure other company makes them, but I mean this company is pretty good. I've never had any issues. They're pretty light, like 21 pounds, 23, not bad. And yeah, you can pick any style you want. So they're literally the same copycats for TE37. So once you do that, you go to eBay, you buy some stickers. I got these. You get a pack of for all, like the 4 wheels, and yeah, you just get the sticker and put it on. Hold on. Alright, so I got the sticker here, and then if you want to get technical, you can actually go online and Google the actual T37, and you can see where exactly the sticker goes, because they probably line up with the valve stem, whatever, and I'm pretty sure they go in a certain way. So if you want to get technical, but this is just a demo for you guys. I'll put the other one. Alright, I just put the other one, and then look what a huge difference that is. And that's just by putting the sticker on. Alright, I'll do the next one. I'm gonna do the next one's the same sticker. So these are different. Okay. Damn. Shoot. Aquí al car wash. Rev it.